live look outside right now from our home view camera. You can see it is a foggy start on this, what is it, Wednesday morning as you head out the door. So be aware of that if you're heading out for work or anything this morning and school. Dealing with the foggy conditions from Lexington back towards Paris. Not as much down towards Somerset. Still dealing with the low-hanging cloud cover, though, and then a little bit of fog out in Richmond as well. It's definitely the thickest, though, here across central Kentucky. Now, radar is on a clean sweep. However, we are seeing some areas of mist or drizzle out there, just depending on where you are. And it's so light, radar's not really picking up on it. So be aware of the fog and aware of the drizzle as you head out the door this morning. Now, here's a wider look at satellite and radar. This area of low pressure spinning across the area. You can see the cold front to the south of that, and it's continuing to work off to the east. Now, today's going to be another day where our temperatures are really split. It's going to be much cooler across central and northern Kentucky than it is to our friends to the south. It'll be much warmer closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. I'll show you that in just a moment. Futurecast, though, as we go throughout the day, maybe an isolated shower, but overall, it's the fog and the drizzle first thing this morning. Again, most of us just dealing with that. And then as we go into the afternoon, just dealing with the cloudy skies today. So we're kind of in between systems. Not going to be dealing with a lot more in the way of precipitation today or the heavy rainfall or thunderstorms like we saw yesterday. However, we'll be stuck with the cloud cover ahead of our next system that begins to work in here tomorrow, bringing the chance for more rain for us. 46 right now in Lexington. Same story up in Frankfort and down in Richmond. We're at 45 in Mount Sterling, 43 up in Flemingsburg, 52 in Jackson, 54 Hazard. We're at 55 in Williamsburg, Monticello, and Somerset. So you can see where it's much warmer to the south. Now, afternoon high temperatures today, pretty much dealing with the same scenario. 51 in Lexington for an afternoon high, so lower 50s across central Kentucky. Again, some spots may even struggle to get out of the 40s again today. And then once you head further to the south, it's much warmer. 65 for a high in Somerset, 66 in Monticello. Same story down in Williamsburg. So again, much warmer once you're closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line there. We have the fog this morning. Otherwise, it's mostly cloudy. Also watch for some areas of drizzle this morning as well. Tonight, we're down to around 45 or so here across central Kentucky. Slightly warmer, closer to 50 down again to the south. Other than that, it's cloudy overnight tonight and not too bad as far as those temperatures go. We had that blast of cold air just over a week or so ago, and so it's much warmer than that. So it always could be worse. All right, the next big thing is that rain potential Thursday and into the start of the weekend. You can see some scattered showers in here Thursday afternoon and through the evening. It looks to be scattered in nature, and then that'll continue into Friday when we're dealing with rounds of showers and storms. Once again, watching for the potential for a couple of them to be on the strong side. A few of those storms lingering early Saturday before we dry out Saturday afternoon and evening. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, we're kind of in between systems today. Fog this morning and some areas of drizzle, and then some showers and storms possibly in the afternoon tomorrow. Mainly shower activity with showers and storms possible Friday. And then as we head into Saturday, some showers lingering first thing Saturday morning before we start to dry out. It looks pretty good on Sunday with plenty of sunshine, and then another rain chance as we head into Thanksgiving week next week. Looks like another system in here by the middle of the week.